How is it some companies with brilliant teams, top talents, and great product still can't scale? You hire great people, you put in so many hours, and still the growth stales? This video will show you the invisible wall that kills the progress of many companies. It is not incompetence, it is chaos, operational chaos. Most companies think adding more people or department that means they are scaling. Growth and scaling are different. Growth adds weight, scaling adds wisdom. You have seen the companies which are growing and they have worked now cracking. Research shows that 74% of startups which have grown prematurely, expanding teams and structures before structures catches up. And even established businesses hit something called complexity wall. The complexity wall. Every business hit it eventually. Around the 40 to 50 employee company where decision slows, system overlaps and communication breaks down, where employees stop collaborating and start colliding. Rules get fuzzy, priorities misalign, and the worst part is the founders waste their more time in managing people and problems rather than steering the company forward. Stay layered on screens. 72% of SMBs report struggling to scale effectively despite heavy digital investments. 65% of all businesses fail within 10 years because their internal system can't handle growth. Chaos is expensive. Operational chaos is the most expensive item in your balance sheet, which you never see. Studies show poor efficiency causes companies to lose up to 20 to 30% of their annual revenue simply due to time waste, duplicate work, and poor sync between departments. These aren't minor leaks, they are floods. You lose deals not because your sales team isn't good, but because your CRM wasn't updated. Projects aren't delayed because employees are lazy, but because project deadlines were tracked in 10 different places. That's the silent killer. Let me share a story. A mid-sized company in Bengaluru which grew from 20 to 100 employees in less than a year. The problem? Nobody was knowing what others are doing. Like HR was taking attendance in spreadsheet, sales were using some CRM, and for project they are using another tool. And for finance, it was totally detached. They hired talent fast, but promoted chaos faster. Within months, project overruns doubled, billing gap widened, and leadership lost visibility. It wasn't a people problem, it was a system problem. Once they implemented an integrated framework and standardized reporting, guess what? Their internal efficiency shoot by 40% within the first quarter. The best companies don't scale by hiring faster, they scale by thinking clearer. Amazon, Infosys, Google, they aren't just tech giants, they are operational masterclasses. They document, standardize, and automate. They use systems, not humans, as their backbones. Imagine running your business without chaos. No silos, no missed hours. Just clarity across people, projects, and profits. That's exactly what Collab CRM does. The business operating system that unifies your company into one intelligent platform. Manage your people, sales, and projects seamlessly, all in one place. Scaling isn't about size, it's about structure. The great teams you already have, they deserve a great system to match their potential. When operation aligns with vision, growth stop being hard work and start being momentum. Don't just grow, scale smart.